After a 10-year journey, Rosetta has finally caught up with a comet travelling in space. It's the European Space Agency's spacecraft and is part of the first mission in history to make such a rendezvous.
It's an important moment today because we do the last touch-up maneuver to enter in the orbit close to the comet. It's not a traditional orbit, it's a flying information with the comet, but it allows us to stay in the vicinity of the comet and start our characterization phase.
It's not been an easy task in a mission likened to the action film Armageddon. The spacecraft, named Rosetta, has been travelling 4 billion miles across the asteroid belt and more than 5 times the Earth's distance from the Sun. It was launched in 2004 and since then has had to make 3 gravity-assist flybys of Earth and 1 of Mars. It needed to do this to help it on course to meet the comet that's 2 miles long and 2.5 miles wide. Rosetta was put into a deep hibernation in 2011 for 2 years as it travelled out to the orbit of Jupiter. It woke up in January this year. Later in November, it will deploy a small robotic lander, which will steer itself to the comet's surface in order to send back messages and conduct the first ever direct analysis of a comet's composition. The general idea is for us to learn more about the building blocks of the solar system and how they came to seed the Earth with water.
Now we can start actually measuring things, really analysing this comet, finding out what its history is, where it's been in the solar system, what it's made of. Can we open up this treasure chest and find out some answers to the birth of the solar system, the origin of water on the planet, and even origin of life itself?
The probe and its orbiter will study plumes of gas and water vapour that will boil off and trail behind as the comet nears the Sun. If the chemical signature of hydrogen matches that found in water on Earth, it could suggest that comets filled the oceans when they smashed into the planet billions of years ago. Rosetta remains just 100 kilometres from the comet's surface and will stay with the comet, which is called Comet 67P, until December 2015. 5 possible landing sites will be identified late August, before the primary site is identified in mid-September for the November landing.